Hi guys, so today it's been we're still in Chiang Mai. It's been raining all day except for now when the sun's just literally just come out, but we've been stuck in the room all day and we come up with this really silly idea for Brad to do my makeup. I'm not going to tell him, obviously, because we're backpacking. I've got my cheapy makeup, I haven't got that much on me, but I'm just giving him the whole pile. He can decide what he does with it, but we're actually going to try and do it good.
I am. I'm going to do it good.
I think he should know what some of this stuff is because he sees me do my makeup every day. He can choose my colour lipstick. You don't have to use all of these either.
Can I do half and half, like a top one and a bottom one?
No, do it good. So, let's go. So, if you haven't already seen our other videos as well, check them out. Most of our videos are obviously travelling videos. As I said, it's been raining. So
sunny now though, at like 5 o'clock at night, which is good.
Yeah, we'll probably go and chill in the pool after, but we want to do something a bit fun because we've done nothing all day. So, make me up.
Let's go.
I'm going to be really annoyed if you ruin, like, because I have certain brushes for certain things. Oh my god, and my sponges. What are you starting with? Oh my god, okay.
That's the lip liner.
Okay.
Lip liner.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
I'm just like having a little feel around at the moment to test what's what. I reckon that goes on.
Do you know what that is?
Ivy. I'm guessing you put it on your lips.
Oh fuck. Okay, come on, start putting makeup on.
She's not allowed to tell me what's what either. I'm just going to put it in wherever. I'm trying to look for the eyebrow thing. I want to do your eyebrows first. Your skin. So you have highlighter, conditioner.
Guys, this is conditioner.
No, you have highlighter, blusher, and foundation.
That's, yeah.
Is that not foundation? That's foundation. What's that? Sick by top sides.
So, if you want to see how my first eyebrow has gone, I literally don't know what it looks like.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Hey, you look fucking sick, I'm not even joking.
I'm just a bit worried about my eyebrows.
They actually don't look that bad, like they actually look quite good. I'm not joking, like I actually think they look better than... Why the fuck do you have all these powders? They're all the same. They're literally all the same.
They're not. Read them.
Hydrofuge coverage adjustable. Last and finished. So that's last. So last and finish. I've done that one, right, I'm gonna put everything over here I've done that one, I've done that one.
You don't have to use all of these.
Oh, I might want to. What's that? Oh no, it looks like you're crying. Man, I was doing so well up until then, now this fucking shit won't come off. Stop, you move forward then, that really scares me, don't do that. Are you meant to do the bottom ones? No, you know what? Fuck the bottom ones, I'm not even.
How do I look?
I actually think you look like it's you that's done the makeup.
Lipstick now.
Right. You look like the Joker off of Batman. Hold on. It smells like Play-Doh when I used to eat Play-Doh. Remember when I told you I used to eat Play-Doh in primary school? Your lips look like they're chapped.
So guys, my finished makeup look. Let's have a look. I'm scared.
Do you want to go and look in the mirror up there?
Ah.
Come on, baby. Come over here.
No, keep it there. Look at my makeup. Look at my lips.
I think it's just your lips that look bad. Your eyebrows are quite good though, aren't they?
Yeah, I've got a chunk missing.
Where?
At the front. They're not actually as bad as I thought
They're not
they'd
actually
be.
bad. Now we've decided Louise is going to make me up.
Into a beautiful woman.
I actually reckon that I'm going to be a really pretty woman. Like, I'm not even joking.
But you've never had makeup on before, so it's going to feel really weird on your skin.
If I put this on Twitter, I know like we'll probably only get 100 views or something. If that, probably not even that. We'll probably get like 50 views. But if someone knows the Eurovision man-woman that won Eurovision, tag him in this because I'm going to look more beautiful than him.
Ready?
Oh, my face feels like it's got Vaseline on it.
Don't screw it up.
My face feels like a tub of Vic.
You've got a big forehead.
I'm shut up, I'm done. Done model. You've got to go and get me a flower after this. I can lay on the bed with a flower in my
I'll
mouth.
put it in your hair.
Yeah.
Me?
I feel fit. Like I actually feel like I'd look in the mirror and want to have sex with myself.
Hey, please don't post it like Stand up. Babe, stand up. I've lost my finger. Guys, look at his brows. He has perfect brows. Look at me.
Are we done?
My masterpiece. Oh my god, it's scary.
I could probably get away with like walking around like this and saying, oh my god. Shit, man.
You've got the most beautiful eyes. Look at me. You actually, you're so. He's too pretty. You look so pretty. Look at your eyes. I'm not even joking. Your eyes are so beautiful. No, stop doing that.
I feel free. I feel elegant, free, and beautiful. I'm going to rename myself Bradlina. It's because you're worth it. Can I just clarify to anyone watching this, that although I might have enjoyed this a little bit, and although I might look back and laugh, I didn't enjoy it in a certain way. I don't think that I'd be a good woman. I don't like it. Anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.